What's up, guys? Jonathan Rose, owner of Masters in Trading. You ready to be blown away? Watch this. Right click, show report. This is back tested data. Here we go. Going back to 2013 to present day. 13 round trips, so 26 total trades, 13 round trips, buys and sells. Trade P&L, 100%, 5,000, 5,000, all the way down. The max we made, 6,000, total 69,000. This is the VIX Trading System. Let me show you exactly how it works, and I'll show you exactly how we got to these back-tested results. You'll notice today we just covered. Let's get into it. So today is August 7th. It's a Friday, August 9th, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to hold a presentation on the VIX Trading System. I'm going to walk you through exactly how this works. I'm going to make sure all your questions are answered. Below in the video description, I'll leave a link for you to sign up for the webinar. If you're watching this video after August 9th, I'll leave a link so you guys can learn about the VIX Trading System. How this works. Instead of just looking at the VIX, most traders look at the VIX. The VIX is 30 days of volatility. We want to look at the entire VIX term structure. What that means is we want to look at the short-term VIX, the 9-day VIX, which is absolutely getting its butt whooped today. The VIX, the 30-day VIX, 3-month VIX, annual VIX. Annual, kind of actually rallying a little bit, maybe a little bit flat. Short-term VIX, offered. The VIX Trading System gives us buy signals when our conditions are met. The conditions that we're looking for is we're looking for volatility spikes, and then we're looking for volatility to come on down. I'll explain exactly how it works on the webinar. But here's what I want to show you. The buy signals, let me go show you the back-tested results. If I pull up a chart of the S&P futures, last trade 33.43. I'm on Thinkorswim, I'm going to hit the beaker. I'm going to go to strategies. This is a proprietary tool that we use, VIX Backtesting Insanity. Hit the cog. Here's what it looks like. VIX, a little moving average. Let me scroll down. Backtest trade size. Since we're doing S&P futures, let's just do this with a 1 lot. So we go 1, backtest profit taking amount. Let's take a profit when we make 100 S&P points. We want to take a profit when we take 100 S&P points. Are we going to use a stop? For this study, we're not going to use a stop. On Sunday's presentation, we'll go through many iterations with many different stops so we can stress test this a little bit so you guys can feel more comfortable with the back-tested results. Okay? Apply. Okay. This thing works quick. We're going back to 2013. It's using the most data it can. If I right-click on any of these, I show the report. It's going to open up this report. This is not the report that I want. I want more data. I want to go back and use all the data it will give me. So here, time frame, max available. Okay. Again, it works really quick. Any of these, I can just right click, show report. Now we're going back to 2013. If I open it up, I realize that I made some kind of mistake. And what I did, I'm sure, is we're not using 1 lots. So again, go back. I won't even edit this video so you guys can see me making these little mistakes. Let's do a 1 lot because I'm guessing you're probably going to trade 1 lots of S&P futures. I'm not really sure. We got a bunch of ballers out there trading 100 lots. Okay. Apply. Okay. Right click, show report. Now we go back to 2013 using one lots, which is a little bit more reasonable. And here are the results. We show where we got in, where we got out. You'll notice going back to 2013, we have 26 total trades, 13 round trips. This has traded 100% going back to 2013. When volatility spikes for a certain amount of time, and then when it calms down, it's a very, very reliable tool to forecast where the S&P futures, where the overall market is going. This is the VIX Trading System. These results are absolutely insane. I can't imagine trading without them. This Sunday, we'll be holding a presentation. Again, if you're watching this after Sunday, I'll leave information in the video description so you guys can learn about the VIX Trading System. Blown away. 8-7 today. It does it again. Locks in another $6 grand.